Morning, Molly.
Morning, Jack. You look tired.
Yeah, I barely slept.
Why? What happened?
I stayed up looking for a hotel for my trip next month.
Oh no! Hotel hunting at midnight. That's rough.
Tell me about it. There are just so many options.
Yeah, choosing a hotel room can be really confusing.
Exactly. Like, do I want a single room or a double?
Well, that depends. Are you traveling alone?
Yeah, just me this time.
Then a single room might be enough, unless you want more space.
I kinda want more space, actually.
Kinda say, I think I want more space.
Oh, right. I think I want more space.
Good. Kinda is fine with friends, but let's practice the full form too.
Got it. So should I just book a double room then?
It's up to you, but it usually costs more.
Yeah, I noticed that. Everything with a nice view costs extra.
That's true. A room with a view is almost always more expensive.
Is it really worth the money though?
Honestly, sometimes yes, sometimes no.
What do you mean?
Well, last year I paid extra for an ocean view.
And was it worth it?
Actually, no. My room faced the parking lot.
No way! Really?
Yes, the website photo was totally different from the real room.
That's so frustrating.
It really is. That's why now I always check reviews first.
Reviews like from other guests.
Exactly. Real guests usually tell the truth about the room.
That makes sense. I never really look up reviews.
You should start. It can save you a lot of trouble.
Okay, I'll try that this afternoon.
Good plan. What time do you usually book hotels?
Honestly, whenever I remember, huh?
That's not a great system.
I know.
So, let's talk afternoon plans. Are you booking today?
Yeah, I want to sort it out before tonight.
Good. What's your budget?
I'm kind of on a budget this trip.
Okay, so price matters a lot then.
It really does, but I also don't want a bad room.
Right. Price and comfort don't always go together.
Yeah, that's my biggest problem.
Mine too, honestly. I always feel torn between the two.
What do you usually choose in the end?
I usually go for something in the middle. Not the cheapest, not the fanciest.
That sounds smart.
It works most of the time, but not always.
Why? What happened?
Once I picked a mid-price hotel and the room was next to the elevator.
Oh, that sounds noisy.
So noisy, I couldn't sleep at all.
Did you ask to change rooms?
Yes, I called the front desk and asked politely.
And did they help?
They did. They moved me to a quieter room on a higher floor.
That's good customer service.
It really was. So now I always check the room location, not just the price.
What do you check exactly?
I ask if the room is near the elevator, the street, or the restaurant.
Oh, I never thought about the restaurant.
Restaurants can be noisy until late at night.
Good point. I'll remember that.
Also, check if the hotel is close to public transport.
Right, because walking far with luggage is exhausting.
Exactly. Location really changes the whole experience.
Okay, this is a lot to think about.
It is, but it gets easier with practice.
I hope so, huh?
So, did you book anything yet?
Not yet. I found 2 options though.
Tell me about them.
One is cheaper but has bad reviews about noise.
And the other one?
More expensive, but the reviews say it's quiet and clean.
What matters more to you, saving money or sleeping well?
Honestly, sleeping well. I need my sleep.
Then I think you already know the answer.
Yeah, I guess so.
Better safe than sorry, especially for a short trip.
True. I don't want to end up exhausted the whole trip.
Exactly. A bad room can ruin your whole mood.
It really can. I still remember that hotel with paper-thin walls.
Oh no, what happened there?
I could hear my neighbor's TV all night.
That sounds terrible.
It was. I complained the next morning.
What did they say?
They apologized and gave me a small discount.
Well, that's something at least.
Yeah, but I still didn't sleep well that night.
Lesson learned, right?
Definitely. Now I always check the reviews for noise.
Smart. That word shows up a lot in bad reviews.
It really does.
Okay, so what's your decision now?
I think I'll book the quieter one, even if it's pricier.
Good choice. Comfort really matters when you're traveling.
Yeah, especially after a long flight.
All right, it's getting late. How's the evening looking for you?
I'm actually going to finish the booking tonight.
Good. Don't stay up too late again.
Ha, no promises.
Before you go, let's review a few useful expressions.
Yes, please. That would help a lot.
First one, worth the money.
Right, like the extra cost was worth the money.
Perfect. Next one, on a budget.
Like I'm traveling on a budget this time.
Exactly. And finally, better safe than sorry.
Yeah, that one really matches tonight's whole conversation.
It does. So here's your one practical takeaway.
Okay, what is it?
Always check the reviews before booking a room.
Got it. Reviews first, price second.
Exactly right.
Thanks, Molly. I actually feel more confident now.
Anytime, Jack. Good luck with your trip. Thanks for spending time with us today.
Keep practicing a little English every day.
And we'll see you in the next episode of Real English with Jack and Molly.